Uncle, you have retired now, right? Then where are you headed solely in the morning? I have retired from office, not from life. I am off shopping for my upcoming trip to the Himalayas. Wow! But how are you managing your expenses after retirement? Years ago, I started SIPs in mutual funds. At retirement, I used the corpus built from those SIPs to start an SWP. Now I withdraw small amounts from my own investments regularly. What exactly is SWP? SWP stands for Systematic Withdrawal Plan. It allows you to set a fixed amount for withdrawal at regular intervals from your investments. The money gets credited directly to your account and the rest of the investment keeps earning return. So basically, it gives you regular cash flow from your own investment. Absolutely. You can set a steady income stream based on your needs at intervals you choose. That's smart, uncle. To know more, reach out to your mutual fund distributor today.